In the whirlwind world of stocks and shares, a recent surge in Amazon stocks has turned heads and piqued interest. This e-commerce titan has seen its stocks making significant moves, becoming the talk of the town in the financial sphere. Amazon, a name synonymous with online retail, has been a consistent player in the stock market. However, the recent upswing paints a vibrant picture of robust growth and resilience. This is not just an upward tick on a graph. It's a testament to Amazon's strength and adaptability in a market that is as unpredictable as it is exciting. Diving into the facts and figures, we find Amazon stocks soaring after hours, a phenomenon that has not gone unnoticed by investors and market enthusiasts around the world. This upward trend is not a mere fluke, but a reflection of Amazon's solid performance, strategic moves, and unfailing commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. But what does this mean for the uninitiated or the seasoned investor? This significant move in Amazon stocks offers a strong indication of the company's health and future prospects. It signals a vote of confidence from the market, a nod to Amazon's status as a reliable and resilient player in the e-commerce sector. To sum up, the recent surge in Amazon stocks is more than just a news headline. It's a story of resilience, strategic acumen, and relentless pursuit of growth. It's a signal that Amazon continues to be a force to be reckoned with in the global market. So, whether you're a stock market enthusiast or just an interested observer, keep an eye on this e-commerce giant. Its journey is a fascinating one, filled with lessons, insights, and the promise of more exciting times